Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. And I got a package. We're going to open it up and see what's inside. I like these paper ones much better. Just rip it open. Oop. Now, the condition of this box is all because of my mailman. Hit me up in the comments if your mailman just shoves stuff in your mailbox and destroys the boxes like this. We're gonna open it up from the bottom. I'm trying to get stuff, more sports stuff, for bicycles and kids, because we got another community days coming up soon, and I want to get people's opinion. So this is a bicycle phone holder. Let me tell you why I got this one. This is how it looks, and the reason why I got this bicycle phone holder, so it's got all these gadgets right here, I got to put them together and show you, is because it's also for motorcycles. It's also for strollers. So when you push in a stroller, you can have it right there on a handle. Anything that has handles, like a bar going across, or if you got a cart and you go ahead and you do shopping with your cart, or so it was versatile, not just for bicycles. Even though it says it's a bicycle phone holder, it does bicycles and motorcycles and all these things. It's so cool. So first thing I realized is that I see that I like. It has this twist right here, which means that this locks inside here. And that's good because once you push that in, you're able to swivel it on whatever direction that you need it to go, just like a car mount. And it also has the clamp right here, where you can get ahead and open this up. What you do is turn this right here, and this part adjusts to the bar, and then you twist it back and clamp it down. It's suitable for phones because it expands like here. You can also do PDSs, GPS, and this rubber part wraps around your phone. As soon as I get another phone, because y'all know I film with my phone, I'll show you how it looks once it's wrapped around with the phone. This is great because this adjusts to all different sizes right here. So, all different phones. This is the back of the unit. If you notice, I still have a key ring on here. And this is what goes on the bar. And this is to adjust it. And as I turn, you see, it's just like a car mount. This is a thick case, and it's able to hold the case. And these straps right here gives it an extra security on here. And it comes with the black strap. It comes with a red strap. Okay, I'm gonna try this with an iPhone 3 because it's fat, with a big thick case. This adjusts, and I just found out that these come off and adjust too in the brackets. So I'm going to hook this to a friend of mine's walker and see if it works. Okay, here we go. This I hooked to a friend of mine walker. She wanted to see if it would work, and it does. So anything that it has a bracket is sturdy, is able to move around. This is a iPhone 3G, which is a pretty thick case. The rubber, let's go up close. The rubber has also fit on here. And show you how I was able to put this bracket on here. Wow. that is pretty cool. And she will be able to get around and still talk to her grandkids as she uses her walker. Don't pay that in mind. My dog is always on camera. Okay, this is how I'm going to disconnect it. I'm just going to open up the sides. Take her phone out. Turn this here. Unscrew the bottom. Pop this off just like any other car adapter. And then I'm going to turn this and unscrew this screw right here. This bracket has a sizing, so you can size it. And just make sure you don't lose this little screw at the bottom, little bolt at the bottom. So I'm going to keep my hand here so I don't lose it. Okay. And this right here is the screw. This is the little bolt. Right here are brackets. And these brackets go into these little grooves right here to adjust the level that you may need. And they just pop in like this, so you can have whatever level you need. And there's 1, 2, and 3. And you can also take this out to get ahead and adjust. So if you need something real small or real big. And then it just goes back together. Hold this back in. Put this back in. Adjust that here. And put your screw back in. Like so. There you go. I had to take this bottom piece out to fit on her walker. But this is really awesome because you can change it to whatever size hole, and it's very sturdy. I give this thumbs up. Take your phone everywhere you go. Throw them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff, and because you want to be a honeybee.